Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you like how you can write a API test using Cypress. So Cypress provides a very good and fast way to execute the API testing, just as we know about REST assured library in Java. So you can also perform API testing in Cypress as well. So today I am going to show you how you can write the API test case in Cypress. Okay, so it is very easy. I am gonna show you the one demo here. So first of all, I have created a class over here, that is API test demo.cy.js. There I have written describe block. Inside the describe block I am going to write it. Okay, inside the it block I am going to write the API test case. So it is a kind of like a description. Okay, and then I have to write an arrow function, and in the doc it is given that you have to first of all write cy.request. So this is a function that Cypress provides in order to test your APIs. Okay, cy.request, and here you have to input the type of request that you are gonna hit. So I am gonna write here get request. Okay, so get, and the argument that I gonna pass is the URL. Okay, so I have input one URL over here, right? And then what is our next task? Our next task is to validate and assert the response, right? So we have to write here then. Okay, so then we have to write over here the response. Okay, so basically response would be a variable over here, and then you have to write like assertions, right? So inside the expect block you have to write response dot status, right? So you are verifying the status code. Response dot status dot to dot equal, what will be the status code? 200. And also you can write like okay, let it be, and I'll run the code here and I'll show you the what is the output. Okay, so for running the code, first of all you have to go to terminal and you have to open the Cypress. So basically for opening the Cypress, this is a command. You have to hit the command npx cypress open. It will open the Cypress dashboard. And once the Cypress dashboard is open, you have to go to end-to-end testing, and you have to select the browser of your choice. So here in this case I am gonna select edge. So the Cypress dashboard is launched. Here I can see that API test demo, the file is updated over here. So I'm gonna click on this file and it will just run the API test. There might be some issue with the test, that it is not finding the test. So first of all you have to save the test using Control S. Okay, yes. So I have entered the Control S and now it has done the assertion and the execution. Okay, so like as you can see here it is not showing any UI, but it has hit the API and the response is actually assertion is done. So in this way Cypress will basically test the APIs. Okay, this way you can write your API test case in Cypress. Okay, so it is very fast and lightweight, and you can verify and perform the assertion in that Cypress dashboard itself.